Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Orblue Garlic Press. Stainless steel is a premium quality garlic mincer designed to streamline your cooking process. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this kitchen tool exudes a sleek and professional appearance in ageless silver color. The Orblue brand is synonymous with quality, and this garlic press is no exception. Measuring at 7.5 inches in length and 2.6 inches in width, the product is compact and easy to store in your kitchen. Despite its sturdy construction, the garlic press weighs a mere 9.6 ounces, making it convenient to handle while maintaining durability. The ergonomic design of the Orblue garlic press stainless steel ensures comfortable handling and ease of use even during prolonged cooking sessions. The efficient mincing mechanism effortlessly crushes garlic cloves, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking enthusiast, this garlic press is a must-have tool in your culinary arsenal. It's professional-grade quality.
The OXO Good Grips. Large salad spinner is a kitchen essential that combines functionality with quality construction. Measuring at 6 into 10.5 into 10.5 inches and weighing 2.5 pounds, this salad spinner is suitable for various uses and can easily handle large portions of greens. Designed by OXO, a reputable manufacturer known for its innovative and user-friendly products, this salad spinner boasts a unisex appeal, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Made in China, the spinner has an item model number of 32480 and an ASIN of B1000 for AKR. With an impressive customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 4212 ratings, it is evident that users are highly satisfied with this product. It is widely popular and holds the bestsellers rank of number 26 in kitchen dining and number 1 in salad spinners. Notably, this product has not been discontinued by the manufacturer since its initial release on July 23, 2008, indicating its enduring popularity and reliability.
The Sesafin Kitchen Sink Sprayer is a top-notch addition to any kitchen, offering both quality and functionality. Made from durable brass material with a polished finish, this sprayer is not only aesthetically pleasing but also built to last. The M22 thread size ensures a secure fit for most standard sink setups. One of the standout features of the Sesafin Kitchen Sink Sprayer is its impressive maximum flow rate of 1.8 gallons per minute. This allows for efficient water usage without compromising on performance, making it an eco-friendly choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Installation is a breeze with the included instructions and the versatile design.
The ultra-thin upgraded food-grade silicone travel. Foldable electric kettle by Luti2O is a remarkable innovation in portable electric kettles. This kettle, in a sleek blue color, offers a perfect blend of functionality and portability for those who are always on the move. The standout feature of this kettle is its foldable design, making it incredibly compact and easy to carry during travel or even daily commutes. The food-grade silicone material ensures safety and reliability, giving users peace of mind while enjoying their favorite hot beverages. With built-in boil-dry protection, this electric kettle guarantees safety by automatically shutting off when it detects that there is no water inside, preventing accidents and prolonging the kettle's lifespan. The stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to the overall design, making it a visually appealing addition to any setting. Whether you are a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or someone who appreciates convenience,
this soap and shower dispenser from Better Living Products offers a convenient and stylish solution for organizing your shower essentials. The Euro Series Trio 3-chamber design allows you to easily store and dispense 3 different types of liquids, such as shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, all in one sleek unit. The chrome finish not only adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom, but also ensures durability and easy maintenance, measuring at 7L into 3.75 into 8.75 H. The dispenser has a compact shape that fits well in most shower spaces without taking up too much room. The installation process is simple and straightforward, requiring only basic tools and following the provided instructions. The chambers are easy to refill by simply removing the top lid and pouring in your preferred liquids. The pump mechanism dispenses the right amount of product with each press, reducing waste and creating a mess-free shower experience. The clear chambers also make it easy to monitor the liquid level.